Today I am unboxing the DURATECH 12V cordless electric fillet knife that comes with an 8-inch and 10-inch blade. I've been excited to get my hands on this, so let's get this open and check it out. As soon as I pull it out of the packaging, the first thing that jumps out is the hard case it comes in. Really solid, feels durable, feels protected. Exactly what you want if you're tossing this in your boat, your tackle bag, and you're on the go. Let's open up and see what's inside. Right here on top, you got simple instructions, straight to the point, easy to follow. You also get a USB charging cable to keep the handle powered up. Love that it's rechargeable and not tied to cords. And here's the handle itself. First impression, this thing is built well. Good weight, good grip, nothing flimsy about it. You can tell that they put thought into design. It feels like something that's gonna hold up when you're cleaning fish all day long. Now, let's take a look at the blades it comes with. First, we got the 8-inch fillet blade. Perfect for your inshore species, smaller fish, or anything that needs a little finesse. Then the 10-inch blade, great for bigger cuts, thicker fillets, and those large offshore fish. Both feel sharp, sturdy, and ready to work. Alright, let me show you how to attach the blade. You slide it into the front of the handle, let it click, and once it locks in, it's not going anywhere. Super easy. Now to unlock it, so you can press the trigger, you just flip the switch, and now the safety's off. Alright, let's power it up. You see how smooth the blade runs, nice consistent action. That's what you want for a clean fillet. Let me turn it off for a second so I can show you this. The handle actually has a built-in light. That's a game changer if you're cleaning fish early in the morning, late at night, or anywhere with low light. So that's a quick walkthrough of the DURATECH 12V cordless electric fillet knife that comes with an 8-inch and 10-inch razor sharp blades. Solid case, great handle, 2 blades, rechargeable power, safety lock, and built-in light. I can't wait to put this thing to work on my next catch. I'll drop a link in the description along with a discount code so you can get 30% off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe.